Hey Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, this video is really for all of those of you who have been following me throughout the years. First of all, thank you for doing so. Now, when I started YouTube, I had a very different idea of how it was going to be from how it's actually turned out. And basically, I've been sidetracked for 10 years. Now, it's been an amazing journey for me. I have learned so much by kind of teaching. I think that's the best way to learn stuff is to teach other people, keep one day ahead. And I've learned so much about drawing, painting, about people. I've learned an awful lot about, sort of different cultures around the world just by being connected to the whole world every day. But I feel that my work in the drawing thing here on YouTube is done. When I started out, hardly anybody was doing drawing videos, and now there are thousands. And when I look at them, I think, wow, this person's a much better painter, this person's a much better drawer, this person's a much better teacher. And I feel I can hand it over to them to carry on doing that job. Of course, the wonder of YouTube is such that all the videos that I've made over the years will still be there, and that younger, kind of more enthusiastic person will still be there to do what I did then that I don't quite have the energy or the desire to do anymore. So what am I going to do? It's time to do what I'm best at, and that is writing and illustrating children's books. I'm not giving up YouTube, but this channel will be changing probably quite drastically. I'm also stopping Draw Stuff Real Easy. It's just not gaining any traction. It's just taking up a lot of my time. This channel is now going to be about stories, about illustration, about my life as a children's illustrator. I'll be vlogging about that. It's going to be the channel that I would have started 10 years ago if I'd have known everything that I know now. I really hope you stick with me, and if you're not subscribed, then please do. So keep sticking with me. And this channel's going to get a little messy over the next few weeks. I'm going to be closing down some other kind of channels that I got around. I might bring some kind of legacy videos from there over to this channel just to kind of clear things up. And then I'm going to settle down into a pattern of telling stories, vlogging about what I do, and illustrations. So I'll still be doing how to draw, but all the illustrations will be based around my books and stories. So in a way, this video is a bit of a test because this is going to be my story chair, and I'm just sort of seeing how this works out. So that's where I am, and that's where I'm going. I look forward to having you join along, and I hope lots of other people will be joining me along too, along the way. You know what I mean. And in the meantime, well, I will say keep drawing, and practice, because I don't want you to stop doing that. But we're going to have to come up with some new catchphrases, I think, if I'm not going to be doing drawing anymore. So in the meantime, you look after yourselves. Thanks for watching, and here's to the future.